did you know that according to a recent survey, people with straight teeth are perceived as more successful, smarter, and having more dates? Very interesting. Here to tell us how to get that $1 million smile is orthodontist Dr. Sam Dar. Welcome, Sam.
Thank you.
Good to see you. So can anyone have a perfect smile?
Absolutely. There's basically a healthy mouth is the best way to have a nice smile. Straight teeth, obviously, is probably on top of the list. So having straight, healthy teeth, really, and it can be done at any age. In the past, it used to be limited to teenagers or growing kids, and nowadays, even adults. My oldest patient is 83 years old.
Oh, wow.
And she has beautiful smile and straight teeth and healthy smile.
It's never too late to have a nice smile.
Never.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about how we maintain a healthy mouth then.
Okay.
And it starts with, just eating the right things and not having a lot of junk food. Like
that's exactly it. So basically having vitamin C is good for the gum, for the gingiva. Brushing and flossing regularly. So we floss once a day at least, brushing 2 to 3 times a day, and using fluoridated toothpaste. Basically, fluoride is really healthy for the remineralization of the teeth. So it's pretty straightforward, keeping healthy teeth. Now, the don'ts, obviously, is no smoking. Smoking is a really big culprit for gum disease. And some of the things that we use on a daily basis, we need to avoid sugar. And we talked about, having maybe a can. This, not only does it have sugar, but it also changes the pH in the mouth, which increases the chance of cavity. Juice, even naturally occurring juice, is a double whammy because not only does it have sugar, it has citric acid.
That's not good for your teeth.
And that's bad for your teeth. It starts remineralizing and causing cavities.
But a lot of people drink juice, so should they brush their teeth immediately after?
Yes,
okay.
Drink it fast and at least rinse your mouth to just dilute the pH if you can brush your teeth right after.
And of course, all the candies are a no-no as well.
That's exactly it. And then the stickier the candy, the worse it is. And this is called a jawbreaker, and it actually stands true to the name. It can actually dislocate your jaw if you overdo it.
Okay, we'll stay away from that stuff then. Okay, so to get some really straight teeth, a lot of people have to resort to braces, and there's Invisalign now.
Yes.
So how long do people have to wear those things?
That treatment usually varies from 1 year to 2 years.
Okay.
Things have improved quite a bit lately, but 1 year to 2 years, that's what the biology allows us. This is a limitation of biology, basically, straightening teeth with Invisalign or with braces. And this is what Invisalign looks like.
These are Invisaligns right here.
They've been around for 15 years, and they do a wonderful job. They're just as good and as effective as braces nowadays with the technology that we have. But it's funny you ask early on about the timing, because timing is an issue. We're in a generation where everybody wants everything done fast.
I know.
That's why microwaves sell a lot more than stoves nowadays, I guess. And
yeah, that's true. But now, is there a way to speed up this process then?
Yes, we can. We can. There's new technology that we've been using for the last 2.5 years, and it's called Acceledent.
Okay.
And this is really the most exciting and the newest technology in our field nowadays. Acceledent, basically what patients do is they bite their teeth into it at nighttime or during the day for 20 minutes a day. And what it'll do is it will speed up the biology of the bone around the teeth, and teeth will shift faster. So we can take a 2-year treatment and cut it down to 12 to 14 months. You really can cut it down in half. It's really exciting, and it works beautifully well.
And this is just, I'm actually pushing a button right now, and you can't really, I can feel it vibrating a little bit.
That's exactly it. It vibrates like an electric toothbrush at a lower frequency. That's all it does. And that vibration stimulates the cell of the biology around the teeth, and teeth will move a little bit faster, actually quite a bit faster.
Okay, this is for braces and Invisalign patients who are already using those things, and this will just help speed up the process.
Yes.
Okay, well, wow.
Yeah.
Always come up with new ideas. Okay,
yes.
We'll take that. Now, once you get the straight teeth, how do you maintain them? Because they do want to shift back to the old kind of crooked ways, don't they?
That's exactly it. So straightening teeth is like straightening hair, really. It's a treatment, not a cure. So you want to maintain them at nighttime with retainers. We used to say wear your retainers for 1 year or 2. Now we say retainers are to be worn for life.
Okay.
So there's 2 types of retainers. There's this type, which is a plastic sheet. It looks very similar to Invisalign, as a matter of fact.
Oh, so is it on there right now? You can't even see it.
You can't even see it. That's the whole point. So it fits right on, and you wear it at nighttime. You just leave it sort of on the night table next to you, and that will maintain the teeth straight. And the other one is simply that wire that has been used for many years, 50, 60 years. It's a wire that is glued on the inside of the teeth. As a matter of fact, I have one of those right now. So nobody can see them, but it will hold the teeth straight, because the lower front teeth are the teeth that shift the most.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Now, just quickly, because we're running out of time here, whitening toothpastes, do they work?
Somewhat. Now, whitening toothpaste, they have an abrasive material. So the idea is to to clean the teeth, but they don't whiten. They make them a little bit more sensitive. So you don't want to overuse them. Maybe using them once a day, not 2 or 3 times a day. That should be enough. And use a regular toothpaste because it can damage the teeth and the gums.
All right, Dr. Samdar, thank you so much. Very good. Good information for all of us looking for that $1 million smile. And if you want to watch this segment again, check out our website, ctvmorninglive.ca.